Your Volkswagen Light and Sight panel can help you achieve maximum visibility during your journey. Your exterior lighting controls are conveniently positioned here, to the left of the steering wheel. Program your headlights or taillights to automatically turn on or off as conditions change by pressing Mode until Auto is selected. In Mode, you can also turn your headlights on manually. Turn on just the parking lights, or turn off the headlights completely. When low beams are on, tough conditions create challenging visibility. Poor weather lighting can help show you the way. Simply tap the Poor Weather button to activate. Tap it again to turn off when conditions return to normal. High beams, or brights, can be activated by pushing the turn signal stalk away from you. Flash the high beams by quickly pulling the stalk toward you and releasing. With Light Assist, high beams can also be set to automatically dim for approaching vehicles. First, set your lighting option to Auto and push the turn signal stalk away from you. The Light Assist indicator will appear in the digital cockpit. With Light Assist enabled, headlights from oncoming vehicles will trigger your vehicle to switch to low beams. You can disable Light Assist with high beams on by pulling the stalk towards you once. If Light Assist is active but your high beams are off, you can deactivate it by pushing the stalk away from you once. This will turn on manual high beams, which can also be turned off by pulling the stalk towards you. The Light and Sight panel can also help with visibility during inclement weather. Tap Rear Defrost to clear ice or fog from your rear window and side mirrors. Or tap Max Defrost to clear your windshield. The Light and Sight panel for a clearer view of your destination and the places in between. Try it. Enjoy it.